Living in New Orleans, a city known for its beautiful architecture and vibrant culture, also means dealing with the threat of hurricanes and extreme weather. Each year, hurricane season brings high winds, heavy rain, and the potential for property damage. For homeowners in New Orleans, preparing your home to withstand these conditions is a top priority, and one of the most effective ways to do so is by installing hurricane-resistant windows. In this article, we'll explore why hurricane-resistant windows are crucial for New Orleans homes and how they provide essential protection against the destructive power of extreme weather. What are hurricane-resistant windows? Hurricane-resistant windows are specially designed to withstand the high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain associated with hurricanes and severe storms. Unlike standard windows, which can easily break or shatter during a storm, hurricane-resistant windows are built with stronger frames, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant materials. These windows are designed to remain intact even under extreme pressure, offering better protection for both your home and the people inside it. Impact-resistant glass is a key feature of hurricane windows. This glass is made of multiple layers that are laminated together to create a shatterproof barrier. Even if the glass breaks, the pieces stay in place, preventing wind, rain, and debris from entering your home. Protection from high winds and debris. One of the most significant risks during a hurricane is the potential for flying debris. When high winds pick up debris such as tree branches, roofing materials, or even parts of buildings, they can cause serious damage to your home. Hurricane-resistant windows provide a strong barrier against this kind of debris, reducing the risk of shattered glass and protecting the integrity of your home. In New Orleans, where hurricanes and tropical storms are frequent, hurricane-resistant windows offer peace of mind, knowing that your windows will not be easily compromised by flying debris during a storm. The reinforced glass and frames help prevent windows from breaking and allow the structure of your home to remain intact. Waterproofing your home. When windows break during a storm, rainwater can flood into your home, causing damage to your furniture, electronics, flooring, and even the structure itself. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to prevent water from entering through the glass, providing an additional layer of waterproofing during heavy rains and storms. This feature is especially crucial for New Orleans homes, where heavy rainfall and flooding are common during hurricane season. By installing hurricane-resistant windows, you help ensure that your home stays dry and protected, even during extreme weather. These windows are built to seal tightly and resist water intrusion, significantly reducing the likelihood of water damage during a storm. Energy efficiency and storm protection combine. In addition to providing protection during a hurricane, hurricane-resistant windows offer energy-saving benefits. These windows are often designed with insulating glass and energy-efficient coatings, which help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. During the hot and humid summers in New Orleans, these windows can reduce the heat entering your home, keeping it cooler and lowering the demand on your air conditioning system. Similarly, during the cooler months, hurricane-resistant windows provide an additional layer of insulation, preventing heat from escaping your home. This can lead to lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment, making these windows a smart investment that serves both protective and energy-efficient purposes. Lower insurance premiums. Many homeowners in New Orleans are surprised to learn that installing hurricane-resistant windows can also help lower their homeowners' insurance premiums. Insurance companies recognize that homes with storm-resistant features, such as hurricane-resistant windows, are less likely to experience damage during a storm. As a result, they may offer discounts on your insurance premiums, making the initial investment in hurricane-resistant windows even more cost-effective in the long run. By investing in hurricane-resistant windows, you not only protect your home from extreme weather but also reduce your financial risk and potentially lower your monthly expenses. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing hurricane-resistant windows is a smart move for increasing the value of your New Orleans home. Potential buyers will appreciate the added protection and peace of mind that comes with impact-resistant windows, making your property more attractive in a competitive real estate market. Moreover, these windows often have a modern and sleek design that can improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance the appearance of your home, hurricane-resistant windows can add both functional benefits and visual appeal to your property. Peace of mind during hurricane season. And finally, the most important benefit of hurricane-resistant windows is the peace of mind they provide. In New Orleans, hurricane season can be unpredictable, and having windows that are designed to withstand the forces of nature gives homeowners confidence that their home is protected. Knowing that your windows won't break under high winds or flying debris allows you to focus on other aspects of storm preparedness, like securing other parts of your property and staying safe. Conclusion: protect your New Orleans home with hurricane-resistant windows. Installing hurricane-resistant windows in your New Orleans home is an essential investment that offers both immediate and long-term benefits. From providing protection against high winds, flying debris, and water intrusion to improving your home's energy efficiency, security, and property value, these windows are designed to safeguard your home from the unpredictable and often dangerous effects of hurricane season. Whether you're protecting your home from storm damage, saving on energy costs, or increasing the curb appeal of your property, hurricane-resistant windows are a smart and worthwhile upgrade. With hurricane-resistant windows, you can feel secure knowing that your home is better equipped to handle the forces of nature, ensuring you and your loved ones stay safe during even the most extreme weather events.